right, we need to talk about this house. So this is absolutely so private, so incredible. So you could even access the property from here or the back as well. And you have this beautiful retaining wall. The rock work is incredible. You come down to your property. This is so private. And here's the home. So you have this incredible front yard, like absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You even have shrubs on this side, metal roof. Like, it's an incredible property and just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You have these beautiful trees here. And I'll take you to the back. In the meantime, let's take a look at the garden area here. And there's a nice big deck. Nice retaining wall, it's just absolutely beautiful. So fenced, so everything is fenced, which is such a bonus. And look at this gorgeous backyard. I'll show you the shop in a sec, but look at this incredible, incredible backyard. Again, fenced, everything is fenced. So for kids, for dogs, sorts of pets. And here's this gorgeous home from the back here. I'm gonna step back even more. And look at this shop. This shop is amazing. Like, the possibilities, this is a new shop as well. The possibilities are endless. So beautiful, beautiful, very private, very functional. This home has incredible updates, just ready to move in. Just before we go inside, let me show you this amazing sauna. Like, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. Look how amazing that is. And then of course we're under this covered deck, and that's the entrance to the basement. So it's a complete walkout. And this angle as well. Oh my goodness, this place is so beautifully taken care of. And even like the storage for just a lawnmower or anything like this, storage here, it's just all covered, and it's just so practical. Like, every ounce of space is so well used. So I love it. Okay, now as promised, let's go to the front and I will show you inside the house. All right, and here we go into this gorgeous home. So tons and tons of updates have been done to this property. So here, as soon as you walk in, you have this incredible open space. So there's a coat closet here. You have this beautiful, beautifully done space. Look at the beams and the open kitchen, and it just has this amazing flow. Let's take it from this end. So tons and tons of space in this living room. Big windows. Like, look at that. The natural light is incredible in here. That's the door we came from. And beautiful laminate flooring. Wood burning stove. Look at that beautiful, beautiful dining area. Kitchen, love this style kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, massive window right at the sink. So dishes don't have to be a chore. Look at that. And I can't wait to show you that patio. But for now, let's see the rest of this kitchen here. Of course, tiled as it should be. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful space. I love this bar too. Like, it's just so practical to have this bar here. It opens up. Okay, and then we'll head to the bedrooms here. So this is currently used as an office, but it is a bedroom. Nice big windows. The space is incredible. It's massive. Like you could put a king size bed in here easily. And this would be your closet, of course. It's just right now not functioning as a bedroom, but it is completely a bedroom. Okay, and then we come down this hallway and we have this beautiful, beautifully updated bathroom here. Tons of space. It's just really, really functional, completely updated. And check this shower out. This is such a great idea. I love this. And I don't see this enough. So you don't have to worry about glass doors or anything like that. And it just feels like a spa to me, like something you would have in a spa. With this beautiful shower and beautiful tile work as well. Like everything is just incredible. And then we go to this other bedroom. So this is probably the same size. I haven't done my measurements, but it's probably the same size or a touch smaller than the other one. But it's very, very, very similar size. And big windows here and just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful here. Closet there as well. And just tons and tons of space in these bedrooms. Now this is a pick your adventure kind of situation because technically this is a bedroom. It has a closet here. It's hard to see right now because it's all the wall, but it does have like a closet here. So you could just close that off and use it as a closet. Currently used as a massive laundry room. So you could close this off, have this separate, maybe a little stackable kind of section and use this as a den, office, or bedroom because there's so much room in here. Again, you have that big window as well. So there's tons and tons of room in here. It's just currently not being used for anything but laundry, but lots of opportunities here because you have the space. So if you have the space, you could definitely utilize it for whatever you like. And then we have a linen closet here. All right, before we go downstairs, I have to show you that massive, gorgeous deck. All right, so we're coming back here into the kitchen, living room, and here, let me just go back here, show you this whole space. All right, so again, the living room is where I'm standing. You have this beautiful open kitchen with a pass-through, bar, dining room, and then the patio. This patio is incredible. So nice big doors. It's massive. Yoga time. All right. So it's really beautiful. This actually opens up. So if you wanted to bring in anything, this part of the patio just opens up, but it's covered so you can enjoy it year round. Like it's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It's clean. It's gorgeous. And to enjoy the views from here, like amazing. You got your backyard if you have kids or animals playing in there, dogs. It's just incredible, absolutely incredible to enjoy these views on this massive year-round deck. Like this is amazing. I could live out here. I could absolutely live out here. All right, as promised, let's go downstairs because it's really spectacular. Okay, so we are going downstairs. So it has a window here, even in the hallway here, which is lovely. So this is the access. So it's a walk-out basement, which is amazing. So this has the access to that. And of course, another covered deck right here. And there's a sauna. And here's the landing. So amazing space for shoes and just amazing space. Like this is awesome. I love that mudroom. So here is the gym, currently gym, but honestly, this could be any room you wanted to. It's pretty decent space. But it's a great setup for the gym right now. The very, very big room. If somebody wanted to convert this into a bedroom, they can. Office. And again, whatever you wish, because you have the space. And that's the one thing, right? If you don't have the space, then that's a different story. And then if you had this as a suite, you could close this door. So this could be for the upstairs, another bedroom or office space. And then this is the downstairs kind of unit almost. So in-law suite, mortgage helper, whatever you choose, it's this incredible space. It has a little dining area. It's just amazing. Beautiful flooring, high ceilings. And then it has these gorgeous barn doors. Love barn doors. And this room here. So again, this could be your living room. This could be a play area. This could be another bedroom. Just the opportunities are so endless because you have so much space. And the only thing is you don't have a closet. So you could put a wardrobe in or something and you can utilize this space because it's absolutely massive. And I do like the idea of having like a little play area or a living room there or a crafts room. But look how beautiful this kitchen is. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is down, like technically you walk out to downstairs basement. And then you have a bedroom here. So big windows. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like a basement. Like it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. From this angle here. So the one bedroom here was on my right. Then you have a washroom. This washroom is an incredible size. Absolutely incredible. Tub, shower, like everything you need. And there's a lot of space. And it has a separate laundry down here. Like, wow. So it has its own laundry down here. Tons and tons of space for storage. You could put towels. You could use this as a linen area as well. So put your linen stuff in here. And then a second bedroom down here as well. And again, big rooms, big rooms, big windows, lots of light. Like these rooms are not small at all. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the space here. So you have a suite down here, full washroom, laundry, 2 bedrooms, and then you have that beautiful living room area. And if you don't need a living room, you could do like a couch here possibly, and then use that as another bedroom. The point is you have the space, which is incredible. I love this. And this could be such an awesome TV room, honestly. It's fantastic. Now, this shop is built to withstand the test of time. It is amazing. Brand new, was built about 3 years ago, and it's such a good space for any projects that you need it for. It's a 3 bay, so it has 3 large doors. The first one there is 10 by 10. This one's an 8 by 8 foot door. There's a lot of space in here if you're doing automotive work or woodworking or anything. At the highest point, that ceiling is 20 feet high, and at the lowest point, it's 10 feet high. So, really great tall ceilings for any projects that you need. And then the third door is at 20, no, third door is a 10 by 10. So that one's really great as well. It gives you access to the front yard and just awesome for extra space that you need if you need to drive into that direction there. And it has a little room as well for storage, or if you want to heat this up, it's a really great space. And of course, we have power in here, and it's just an awesome space. So for any information, feel free to reach out. But quickly, before we end this video, I want to show you a few things around Riondel. I want to show you the marina, the beaches, and just the views and the incredible Kootenay Lake. And I think you're going to absolutely love it. Oh, and the golf course.